sick. Squad. Got the squad up here. Y'all about to run it? Y'all about to go run? That man said 1,000 horsepower M3. Wow, this is a dope ass car, my man. GTS? Yep. Nice. Hey, you should go check out my channel on YouTube, Dark Garage.
Dark Garage?
Yeah, Dark with a C, not a K.
D-A-R-C.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Hell yeah, man. That's nice. Nice.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
oh, your screen's fucked up?
Yeah, don't look directly into it.
Holy shit.
You got a Koyo or a Mishimoto? Huh? That is a Koyo. How is that Koyo?
Put the light right there.
Nah, I didn't see it.
Nah, it has no emblem on it.
Hey man, fucking big ass radiator is a fantastic fucking thing.
I don't know. But I totally got dusted by this guy right here. That is Miata. That's twice. That's twice.
Seriously though, do you guys take these cars out to Lime Creek at all or what? I'm always out there in my MC, but... So you see a lot of them? Actually, most cars I see out there are
Oh man, that's tight,
No. The only person I know that can beat me on Lime Creek is my buddy with the Protege, which sounds ridiculous, but he's pretty fucking good, and it's pretty fucking modded.
Oh, dude, did you hear the backfire?
Yeah.
My back.
On yours?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, we didn't see anyone.
No,
we only
going
saw
under
them.
the tunnel.
What did we hit? Sorry if you're taking a video.
Oh man, what we got going on right here? That shit is crazy. Oh, we got some scrape action over here. Look at that. How does he even get in there? Shitting on him. Shitting on him. Nice. What up, what up? What we got going on over here? Miss Dinner? Damn, my man, you was cooking out? Damn, that's how they do it over here. Got the grill out here. Doing it. We had pizza before we came out here, but
We should really get that screen fixed. That screen fixed.
I know I gotta do it. I just been putting it off. Dyson, man. This thing is just so sick. Nice.
It either beats Peter or